Hello everyone. Let's dive into the TEAMGROUP Force G70 Pro, a high-performance NVMe SSD that's making waves in the gaming and PC enthusiast communities. This drive boasts a 1 TB capacity, making it a solid choice for storing a sizable game library or large project files. One of the standout features of the G70 Pro is its impressive aluminum heatsink. This isn't just for aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in dissipating heat, ensuring consistent performance even during demanding tasks. The drive utilizes a DRAM SLC cache and 3D TLC NAND flash memory, a combination that contributes to its speed and responsiveness. Under the hood, the G70 Pro is powered by an InnoGrit PCI Gen 4x4 controller. This allows it to achieve blazing fast read and write speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes s and 5,500 megabytes s, respectively. In real-world usage, this translates to significantly reduced loading times in games, quicker file transfers, and a more responsive overall system. The G70 Pro is designed to work seamlessly with the PlayStation 5, meeting Sony's requirements for storage expansion. This means gamers can expand their PS5 storage capacity without sacrificing performance. It's also an excellent choice for PC users looking to upgrade to a high-speed NVMe SSD. The drive's performance is consistently strong, whether it's transferring large files, loading demanding games, or running intensive applications. The heatsink does an excellent job of keeping temperatures in check, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining stable performance over extended periods. The TEAMGROUP Force G70 Pro is a top-tier NVMe SSD that delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Its fast speeds, effective cooling, and compatibility with both PS5 and PC make it a versatile storage solution for gamers and power users alike. If you're looking for a high-performance NVMe SSD that can keep up with your demanding needs, the G70 Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.